guys, welcome back to this session. In today's session, we are going to see how to find duplexes. But before we see how to find duplexes, let us understand what is duplex. Now, duplex is a powerful tool used to square numbers of any size. How we do that? That is what we have to see. So we start from how to do the single digit duplexes. I have already written here that single digit duplex is simply square of the given number. So extremely easy. You have to just square the number. But how do we basically write duplexes? We write duplex as, so you write the D, duplex of 1. What is a duplex of 1? Duplex of 1 is 1 square, which will give you a 1. Then duplex of 2. Duplex of 2 is simply 2 square, which will give you a 4. So it is a 2 square, which will give you a 4. So we have a duplex of 3, which will give you 3 square, which is going to give you 9. Then you have duplex of 4, which will give you 4 square, which will give you 16. So on and so forth. Duplex of 5, what will be duplex of 5? Duplex of 5 is going to be 5 square, which is 25. Duplex of 6, 36. Duplex of 7, 49. Duplex of 8, 64. Duplex of 9, 81. We can't do the duplex of 10. Why? Because 10 is a double digit. That method is different. That is how we will see in the next part. Double digit duplex. Now, what is a double digit duplex? Read this. You can write it down if you're maintaining a notebook. Write this down, that to find the duplex of any double digit number, we have to find the product of the given two digits and double the digit. You have to find the product of the double digits. What are we doing here? For example, you want to find out duplex of 42. So what are we doing here? Product of 4 and 2. 4 and 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 2, that will give you 8. And then what are you going to do? You're going to double 8. Double of 8 will give you 16. So therefore, duplex of 42 is going to be a 16. Correct? Let's do, suppose you want to find out duplex of 63. What is the duplex of 63? 6 3s are 18. 18 double 36. So you can do this mentally, very easy. So let us see duplex of 72. What is it? 7 times 2 is 14 and 14 double 28. Getting it? This is how you continue the duplexes. Now, in case if you have some questions, let us practice some duplexes and then we go to squaring. So let us find out the duplex of 31. Then duplex of 10, then duplex of 25, duplex of 75, duplex of 68. I think this much is enough. Let's practice this. 3 ones are 366, 1 zeros are 000, 5 twos are 10 double 20, 7 fives are 35 double 70, 6 eights are 48 and 48 double 96. So these are the duplexes of the double digit. Take some numbers by yourself and practice. You'll be able to get it. It's not very complicated. Okay. Now, there is also 3-digit duplex. Now, what is a 3-digit duplex? When you read this text, you will suddenly feel, oh my God, what is this and how am I going to do it? Don't worry so much. It's very easy. It's very, very, very easy when you start doing it. That's why I always say that do it yourself. The more you do it yourself, the more you know how actually you have to work around it. So let's see it. So here we use the bow and the arrow method. This is the bow and the arrow method, where a duplex of 3-digit is the sum of the square of the center and the double center digit and the double of the product. Leave the text for now. I will show you one question and you'll understand what does it mean. And then we will match the text. For example, you want to find out the duplex of 1, 2, 3. 3-digit. So 1, 2, 3. Now, it is written that we have to find out the bow and arrow method. What is written there? We have to find out the bow and this is the end number. So this is the bow. 1 into 3. So what is written? A duplex of 3-digit is the sum of square of the center digit and the double of the product of the end digit. End digit is the bow. 3 ones are 3, correct? That is 3 ones are 3, and that is, and double 3 you will get 6, correct? 3 ones are 3 and double of 3 you will get a 6, correct? Now, are you getting it? Or wait 1 second, I'll just write it down because it is okay. So how do you do it? You have to find out. This is 3 ones are 3, and then you have to double 3. What is the double of 3? 6. And then what is it written? Square of the center digit, that is 2 square. This is the arrow. You square the 2. Getting it? So you have to do the square of 2, which is 4, and you have to add this 4 here. So that is a 10. This is how you will get the duplex of 3 digit. It looks like this, but trust me, when we do a couple of sums, it will be very easy. It's not very difficult. Let us see how to go about it. Okay, let's do some 3 digit duplexes to get our hands on it so that you can understand the technique properly. Okay, let us find out duplex of 324. That means you will do 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12, and then you double 12. Correct? Double 12 is equal to 24. And then you square the number in the center. That is 2 square, which you're going to add here. That is 28. Easy? Take some numbers by yourself and try to do it also. Okay? Like let us find out the duplex of 417. Not the square, huh? We are doing the duplex. So what is it? You do the bow and the arrow method. 7 4s are 28. That is 4 into 7. You have 28, and then you double it. That is going to give you 56. And then the square of 1. So it is 1 square, which will be 1. So if you add this, you get a 57. This is the duplex of 417. Take some number by yourself, you will get it. Okay, it's not very complicated, it's easy. See, practice is something which is going to make things easy. Simply something is not going to become easy. Okay, so you have to practice, remember that. So double digit square, we are going to take some numbers today and we will see how to square them using the duplex method. Let us see what it is. Suppose you want to square 43, and we are going to use a duplex there. 43, so you have a 4, you have a 43, and you have a 3. Simply find the duplexes of these numbers. Are you getting it? Duplex of 4 is 16. 4 3s are 12, double 24, and 3 will give you a 9. You arrange the numbers. 1 6, 24, 2 goes a carryover, and a 9. Answer is 1849. Yeah, try one sum yourself. As I always say, do one sum yourself and you will be able to get it. Let's do one more question. Let us find out the square of 84. So you have 8 first digit, then you have 84 2 digit, and then you have a 4 last digit. Simply find the duplexes of these digits. So what is it? 64. 8 4s are 32. 32 double, that is also another 64 you have. And 4 4s are 16. Now you simply arrange the numbers. You're going to do what? You're going to only arrange the numbers. How are you going to arrange the numbers? You have a 64, then another 64, and a 16. So this is going to 7056. Getting it? Extremely easy, not at all complicated. But take some sums. Again and again I'm saying, take some questions by yourself and do it before we go to the next slide. Or okay, let's practice some sums together. Let's find out the square of 61. 61 square. So 6, 61 and 1. So duplex of 6, duplex of 61, and duplex of 1. 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6 double 12, and you have a 1 there. And then you have 36, 12 and a 1. 3721. We can do this mentally. I'll teach you in a while how to do that mentally. Okay, let's find the square of 72. 72 square. 7 duplex of 7, duplex of 72 and duplex of 2. That's equal to, you have to find out a duplex of 7, duplex of 72 and duplex of 2. That is equal to 49. 14 double 28. See, doubling and all that has to be easy for you guys. And this duplex of 4 will give you, duplex of 2 will give you a 4. Just arrange this. This is equal to 49, 28 and a 4, 5, 1, 8, 4. Extremely easy. You can trust me, you can do it extremely fast. Let's take a few more examples so that you feel comfortable about the topic. Let's take a little larger example. Let's take, you have to find out the square of 69. Okay. Now you have a 6, you have a 69 and you have a 9. So you have to find the duplex of 6, that will give you 36. You have to find out the duplex of 69. 6 9s are 54. 54 double will give you 108. You have to be fast in the doubling, okay? Otherwise, this entire thing, 81. Okay. Now you arrange 36. This 108, just write it like this. And then you have the 81. 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 0, but you know there is a carryover, so that is a 7, 6, 1. So this is your answer. I think by now you got a hang of what we are doing, correct? Take some sums by yourself and do them yourself. I'm going to tell you how to do this directly because this is still a lengthy process. We can directly do it. We don't need to do all these things. I'll just show you how to do them directly. So you can practice those sums. If you like it, you can do it directly. If you don't understand, you can still do the method that you are getting comfortable with. That's okay. Let's do some questions. Let's take easy or difficult, whatever you feel. Let's take 28 square. 2 2s are 4, duplex of 2. 8 2s are 16, 16 double 32. So you write the 32 and 8 8s are 64. What is the answer? 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 4. Easy? Now let us take 34 square. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 12 double 24 and 4 4s are 16. 1 1 5 6. Then let us take 62 square. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12. 12 double 24. So you take the 24 here and 2 2s are 4. Your answer is 3 8 4 4. Let's take 84 square. 8 8s are 64, 32, 32 double 64 and 16. See? What is your answer? 7056. I think this question I repeated by mistake. Anyway, so that is how it is. Take some questions by yourself. If you are attending our classes, you already have the booklet. Go to the booklet and practice this question. Extremely easy, not difficult at all. Okay, now we are going to see 3-digit duplexes we already saw. So now we will see how to square numbers using 3-digit. I mean how to use how to find out squares of 3-digit using the duplex method. So let's see how to work on that. So 1 2 3 duplex we already figured out, correct? So now let us find out the square of 1 2 3. So we are now going to do 1 2 3 and the square of that number. So again the same thing, 1 then 12 then 123 then only 23 and then you have a 3. Can you see what I'm doing here? One by one I'm taking the numbers, correct? So now you find out duplex. Duplex of 1 will give you 1. Then duplex of 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 double 4. Duplex of 1 2 3. What did we do here? Bow and arrow. 3 1s are 3, correct? 3 1s are 3, 3 double 6, right? And the square of this, which is a 4, so you get a 10, correct? Duplex of 23, 2 3s are 6, 6 double 12, and then you have duplex of 3, which is going to give you a 9. You arrange all of this 1 4 1 0 1 2 9. It is 1 5 1 2 9. This is how it goes, correct? Take some examples by yourself. You will be able to do it. Let's do some examples here so that you get confident about the topic. Let's find out the square of 426. So you have a 4, you have a 42, you have a 426, then you have a 26, and you have a 6. So you split the number accordingly. Now duplex of 4, that will give you a 16. Now duplex of 42, 4 twos are 8, 8 double 16. Then duplex of this, 6 fours are 24, 24 double 48, correct? That is a 48 plus the square of the center digit, which is 4. So this will give you what? 52. Now you have a duplex of 26, which is 6 twos are 12, 12 double 24. And you have a duplex of 6, which is 36. Now we only have to arrange our numbers, which is equal to 16, 16, 52, 24, and 36. So all the digits, one extra on the right goes as on the left goes as a carryover. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 1, that will give you 18. How I got 18? 16 plus 1, 17. I can see that there is a carryover. Now that 11, one I've already taken as a carryover. 4, 7, 6. In our coachings, when you are doing mental math, you will understand that addition and everything, you are helped. This is level 2. In level 1, you guys are already taught how to add faster, how to do left to right. Everything is taught to you all. If you're not from our coaching classes, then you might find this a little difficult. But if you're attending and then this is like a revision board for you, trust me, it's not very difficult because our students are continuously doing left to right, and they're so used to do it. So that's fine. Now, in case if you think you want to learn it, connect with us. I'll give you our numbers at the end. Now, let us take some questions at the for 3 digit, and let us see how to find out the square. So let us take 114 square. So 1, 11, 114, 14, and 4. So duplex of 1 will give you a 1. Duplex of this will give you 1 ones are 1 double 2. Duplex of this, okay, can you do 4 ones are 4, 4 double 8, 8 plus 1, that will give you 9. Duplex of 14, 4 ones are 4, 4 double 8. And duplex of 4, that will give you 16. Now what is it? You have to just arrange it. 1, 2, 9, 8, 1, 6. That is 1, 2, 9, 9, 6. Getting it? Take any random number and start doing it. You might go wrong, which is okay. Never mind. Going wrong is also a method of learning because you should know what you should not do. Like you should know what you must do, you should also know what you should not do. How do you know that? You come to know that only by your mistakes. Otherwise, what is the point? Okay. All right. Let's take another question. Let us take 356 square. Any number. I have no clue which number is coming to my mind. I'm just randomly taking any number. So then you know what? 3, then 35, then 356, then only 56, and then 6. Then duplex of 3, that will give you a 9. Then duplex of 35, 5 3s are 15, double 30. Duplex of 356, 6 3s are 18, 18 double 36. If you get confused, you can write here 36. And plus square of 5, that is 25. That will give you how much? 61. And this is a duplex of 56. 5 6 are 30, 30 double 60. And then duplex of 6, that will give you 36. Normally I have the habit of writing it here, but I don't think I have any space, so I'm writing the answer here. For better clarity of understanding, I'll just change the color so that you can understand. So now you just arrange these numbers. What are we going to do? Write the 9 first. You write the 9. Then 30. 30 means 3 goes a carryover. Then 61, that's 6 and 1. Then 60, that is a 6 and a 0. And 36, which is a 3 and a 6. So 9 plus 3 will give you a 12. 6, 7, 3, 6. This is how you can find the square of any number. You can check. There is no need to check the calculator. If you know, if I've taught you how to check the answers, you'll understand. This is 5, 5 square 25. So this is 7. And then you have 7, 2, and 6, 3. Yes, 7. Answer is correct. Okay, there's a digit sum method. If you come to our coachings, I mean, this is difficult to teach everything together. I'll one day make a video for digit sum also. So let's do how to do this 3-digit numbers faster. You can do the 3-digit number also faster. You know how to do them directly. I'll just show you a couple of sums how you can do it directly. Let's take the 3-digit numbers, which, for example, you want to, not duplex, sorry. You want to find out the square of, let us take square of 713. Now, ideally, what you guys should do, if anybody really wants to learn, you should stop my video here, calculate it yourself, then switch on the video, and then check if your answer is right or wrong. That was what is learning through the channels. Otherwise, it's pointless. So you have 7, 71, 713, 13, and 3. So do you, okay, we decided to do this directly. Sorry, I thought, okay, so let's do this directly. In your mind, 7 duplex 49, 7 ones are 7 double 14, then 7 threes are 21, 21 double 42, and 42 plus 1 is going to be 43. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 double 6, and 3 threes are 9. What is your answer? 508369. Correct? See, if you want to write down and do it, nobody is going to stop you from that. But in case if you really want to speed up the method, okay, I'll write the answer here so that I can do another question below. This is 508367. 369, I'm sorry. This is 369. I erase this here. Okay, let's do one more question. Let us say 564 square. So 525 because duplex of 5. 5 6 are 30, 30 double 60. So you're going to write the 60 like this. Then 5 4s are the bow and the arrow method. 5 4s are 20, 20 double 40. And the square of 6 is going to give you 36. So you see, if you add this 2, you get a 76 here, correct? So you add the 76, you write it like this. Then 6 4s are 24, 24 double 48, and 4 4s are 16. Now see, 25 plus 6, that will give you a 31. This is 7, but I can see that there is a carryover. So this becomes 8. That is a 0. That is a 9. And that is a 6. This is how you can find out the squares. Now, I'm going to write some square numbers here. I want you all to find out the squares of those numbers using the duplex method genuinely and write the answer in the comments. Let us see how many of you get it right. Okay, let us do the square of 614. See, I'm not giving you very difficult questions. And let us find the square of 382. Okay, these questions are for you as a homework. What you can do is you can stop right now, do the answer, and then comment, write your answer in the comment. I will reply you back whether it is right or wrong. Okay, now as you know, we are conducting continuous coaching on our mental math classes. Our mental math classes are physical. I live in Bahrain. We teach in the institute in Bahrain this mental math techniques. If you are in Bahrain and if you think that you want to attend our classes, which are physical classes, you can connect with us. We will tell you where our classes are conducted. So contact us if you are in Bahrain. If you are not in Bahrain, because we have a team which trains students globally, anywhere in the world you are. Connect with us. We will teach you all the techniques that we have. WhatsApp us. For both the numbers are same. WhatsApp us on these numbers for online as well as physical coaching classes. Yes, but the physical coaching classes are right now only available in Bahrain. In India, we will start them shortly. We also plan to do some classes in Dubai, but that is going to come up. That's a future plan. Right now, our coaching classes are only in Bahrain. Online classes, wherever you are, we have a lot of students across the globe. So join us. Please make sure that your math skills are fine-tuned with us. We will help you to fine-tune your math skills and make sure that you are absolutely brilliant when it comes to the numbers. So I hope you liked today's session. I hope to see you in one of our classes someday. And till that time, wish you all the best and cheers, guys. Bye.